Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to drain the tanks because we're getting ready to move today, so we've got to get the tanks drained. So number one is your black tank. So then you flush it out with your gray tank. This is the one that takes forever.
Yeah.
There's a lot in there. 2 showers, some dishes, some laundry, a whole bunch of stuff in that one. So then I hook this up. This is the tank flush out, and I use my everyday hose for that. Not my water hose. So this is flushing out our black tank.
Got it.
And really the reason I flush them out is I want to get my hose clean out.
Do you do that every time?
If I'm going for a long, if I am packing up my hose for a couple days, yes, because I want to get my hose all good and flushed out. You know, I see people that take a garden hose at the campsite and flush the hose out. I don't like that. It's kind of, you know, they can backtrack into pipes and everything else, I think. This is the only problem.
Yep. Trying to get in there? Oh.
Yeah, it leaks agua. That's why I don't like using our good hose for that.
Right. Okay, so this takes a good half an hour.
Yeah, if you do it this way, it does. Actually, probably 10 minutes. Because once you start wrapping up, it really doesn't take long to wrap up.
Okay.
So let's flushing out our black tank.
Wow, okay.
You see how clear it is?
Yeah.
Alright, there's our last little bit of black tank. There's our last little bit of gray tank. Alright, that's closed, that's closed. That video was shot a while ago, so let me show you what I've upgraded since then. So what I've added are quick connects. The quick connects seem to work great. And I've added one to the end of the hose as well, plus a turn off for the end of the hose. Connect them in, let it rip, turn it off, take it right out. Now a little bit of water will run out of there, but it will not run back into your hose, which is always a good thing. Also, the water that's coming out is not from the tanks, it's just from the lines going to the sprayers in the tank. So not a whole lot of contamination coming out of that, which is great. That has worked out great for us. I would highly recommend that, and give it a try, see what you think.